Success is addictive, but the hard truth is, the more you chase it, the further you drift from real happiness. You might say you want to be successful, but let me ask you this. Is it actually real success that you're chasing? Or is it the feeling you think success will give you that you're chasing? The thing is, we've been fed this lie our whole life, that basically you're not enough. This happened through your childhood upbringing, this happened through your relationships. Basically the entire world is feeding you this lie and everyone is believing it, that you're basically not enough. And then we've also been fed the solution that we can fix this problem by achieving success, by reaching something, being rich, looking a certain way, having a certain status, right? So success can be defined in different ways, but let's just keep it with being rich for now, right? We think that we will be happy when we achieve that goal, when we become rich, for example. And the truth is, you're not going to be happy by chasing any of these things. The reason why we keep believing that we will reach happiness by achieving certain goals and achieving success is because every time we achieve something, we feel this temporary happiness. We feel a temporary relief of pain. We feel a temporary relief of this feeling of we're not enough. So we get addicted to this feeling of needing to achieve more and more. And you've heard this like a million times, right? And maybe you've experienced it yourself. But the thing is that it's never enough, right? You're never going to be enough by reaching that one goal, because the goalpost is going to increase and increase and increase, and you're going to need more and more and more. And then you hear all these stories from millionaires or billionaires that are still hella fucking depressed, right? And maybe you've experienced this yourself. Like I said, like maybe you've been grinding and been working to achieve a certain thing, and you finally realize that that is actually not making you happy at all. So you've really got to like stop there for a moment and realize like, what is it you actually want? Do you actually want success or do you want happiness? And once you stop confusing happiness with success, then you can actually focus on what's really important, and that is being happy. It's letting go of all this pressure. Everyone is telling you you need to achieve that thing, and you're not going to be happy if you don't achieve that thing. You have to let go of that completely, and you have to focus on what you actually want to do, and that is just to be fucking happy, right? It's super simple. So basically you want happiness, right? Like you want this feeling of being enough. It's basically this feeling of peace, love, joy, just no pain, no guilt, no pressure, no shame. And you achieve that by focusing on yourself, like focusing on that feeling of being enough. It's not something you achieve by reaching or chasing something outside of yourself. This is always something that is going to come from within. The feeling of being enough cannot be something you achieve outside of yourself. It's not some kind of validation that someone gives you that will heal you. It will always be this acceptance and this knowingness that you are enough, and that's going to come from within. And the funny thing here is that once you start actually feeling into that and believing that you are enough, success will come easily. And chasing success or working towards success will actually become fun. While when you're chasing it because you need to, it's going to be very painful, and you might believe that that's part of the journey, right? Like pushing through pain and stuff. And sure, even when you're doing it the right way, you're going to go through some discomfort, but it's different. It's because you want to, and you really enjoy the process, and it's just like a lot more effortless than just pushing because you need to. You need to be enough, and you don't care about happiness. That's just a depressing lifestyle. And you can chase that your whole life, but you're never going to be happy. And remember that it's still okay to go for success. You don't need to like stop working and stop going for that $1 million But the thing is that you should focus on the process, what actually makes you happy, what you enjoy doing, and then the success will become a byproduct. It's just that when you make success the condition of your happiness, it's basically a recipe for a disaster. Real freedom starts when you stop trying to prove that you're enough and start realizing that you already are. And once you do that, you can do whatever you want, and whether you reach success or not, you're going to be happy, and that's the most important thing. Good luck.